As an estate planning attorney, I've been getting this question a lot lately, and that is, what essential estate planning documents should I have in place in light of the COVID pandemic that we're currently experiencing? Well, the answer to that question is probably the same documents that I think you should have regardless of whether there's a pandemic or any sort of emergency situation. Um, there are 5 documents that I think are really important. The first is an advanced healthcare directive, and that allows you to nominate someone to make medical decisions for you in the event you can't make them for yourself. And you're able to also articulate your wishes with regards to end of life decisions. Which are also very important because most people don't have that type of conversation with their family on a regular basis. So a lot of times your family members don't know what your wishes are. The second document is a HIPAA authorization. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. That is the act that protects your medical records. So in order for someone to have access to your medical records, they need a HIPAA release signed by you. And that's extremely important if you're about to undergo some sort of medical procedure. Your agent needs to be able to release your medical records to your current treating doctor so that they know what they need to do and know what your history is. The third document is a durable power of attorney, which allows someone, your agent, to access your bank accounts and your assets. And that will allow them to make sure that your bills are paid, your rent is paid, your mortgage is paid, and handle any sort of financial transactions if you're not in any physical or mental position to do so by yourself. A will is also a very important part of your estate plan. And a will dictates how you want your estate to be distributed after you pass away. And it also names an executor who will be the person who's in charge of making sure that your affairs are handled properly. Here in California, probates are very expensive, and a lot of people try to avoid probate by having a living trust. And what a living trust is a document that takes effect when you're still alive. It is helpful to manage your finances or your financial affairs if you become incapacitated, similar to a durable power of attorney for finances. But it also avoids the probate process here in California, which allows your estate to go along smoothly, more quickly, and less expensive. If you are interested in doing some estate planning, I know that during COVID, people are very anxious about getting it done. I know that estate planning attorneys are still working remotely. So if you would like a Zoom meeting or a conference call, most estate planning attorneys are available to do so. Well, I hope you found that information helpful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.